Bro, I thought these were gonna be. Okay, so I'm gonna pack with y'all my makeup bag, and I'm gonna be packing my jewelry, and I'm gonna be putting lotion on this too as well, you see? So I can get this shit out of the way. I don't know when I got this bag. Point is, I love this bag. Oh my god, y'all, this was so much makeup. I just couldn't include it on the video, so just enjoy the small clip. Went to the store. Yeah, we went to the store at 6. I think we was there for like an hour, and we came back because tell me why the fuck it's fucking raining. Fucking wet ass bag, cause shit. Oh my fucking god, y'all, it was fucking hella raining. Dollar Tree, and this is all I got at the Dollar Tree. I got 2 bags. So yeah, and then I got fucking change. So I'm gonna put that shit in my bag in a little bit. So yeah, I got these chips. And then my man said I can't eat chip, but he's not in charge of me. The fuck? So I did him to get some chips because then I also got this original mint mouthwash because I'm gonna be taking my toothbrush. Thank god my toothbrush has like the topper, so I'm just gonna throw it all in a Ziploc bag, and I'm gonna take my toothpaste as well. But I don't want to take my big ass bottle mouthwash, so I'm gonna be taking this mini one that I saw. They had it like here, and I got man like these chips so you can try them. So then I saw these, and I decided to get both of them. I think I'm just gonna need this one, but maybe this one. Okay, I think I got it. Ooh, these bitches are tight. Okay, yeah. I mean, they kind of cover the brow. I ain't gonna lie. Like, that shit covers it. But I mainly just wanted to cover my lid. I'm gonna be like this showering like this. These are gonna be. God, from Amazon. But this big old box, literally, it's just like 3 tiny items. Then I also got a SIM card. I got the 128 gigabyte. Yeah, I got this one. Oh my god, oh my goodness, I can't wait for y'all to see these outfits. I will be uploading these individual fits on my TikTok. I will be linking down below. But just know these outfits are gonna give very, very baddie Y2K, you know. Here, I'm gonna take just these 2. Damn, this one, and obviously I'm taking also my deodorant, which I'm running out, so I'm gonna have to buy a new one. But it's fucking hot as shit. I have my hair up. And I'm fucking thirsty as fuck. But I don't got no water in the fridge, so I want like a cold ass water. But I went on Amazon 2 SIM cards. Thank god they arrived on time. 3 SIM cards right here. So I got that. And then this is the shampoo. I'm not gonna be using this anytime soon, but I think when I'm over there in New York, I am gonna have to use it because it's already gonna be more than 24 hours. She literally put this in like that shit. It was like so uncomfortable, but you gotta do like that. And then this is like my brush I'm gonna be using. This shit looks fucking huge online, but it's the brush that's going to be used to be like this, you know. And then this is the spoolie. I'm gonna take everything out the box, and I'm just gonna carry it like that. So you like my lashes though? Fuck with these. I ended up getting a wispy lash.